Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use OBS Virtual Camera on Ome TV. Let's get started. Firstly, ensure that you uninstall all third-party camera applications from your PC, keeping only OBS Studio. Once OBS is open two notepads and paste the codes provided in the description. Code 1 is pasted in this text document, and code 2 is pasted in another text document. Save both files as registry editors. You can see here we have camera name set to OBS FIX, which will rename the OBS Virtual Camera to OBS. Now go to File, then Save As, and name it OBS Cam 1.reg. Save it and repeat the process for the second text document, but name it OBS Cam 2.reg. Save both files as all files, and then close the two notepads. This will create two registry files on the desktop. Now let's execute the first one. Yes. Now proceed to the second one. Okay. The registry keys have been added. Next, go to the search box and type in Device Manager and open it. Then, expand the Cameras option. Disable the integrated camera first. If there are any other cameras listed under the Cameras option, disable them as well. Minimize the Device Manager window for now. Later, open Google Chrome and navigate to Ome TV. You'll notice that the OBS camera is automatically detected. It's crucial not to refresh the page or close the browser during this process, as doing so will require you to repeat these steps. Simply minimize the browser window and refrain from any action. Now, return to the Device Manager and re-enable the integrated camera that you previously disabled. Once it's enabled, close the Device Manager window. Next, launch OBS. Navigate to the Sources option in OBS and click on the plus icon. Then select Video Capture Device and choose the integrated camera device from the list. Click OK to confirm the selection. Now let's add one more source. Now let's add a media source. I'll use this GIF file and enable the loop option. Click OK to confirm. Adjust the GIF as needed. Now start the virtual cam. Return to Ome TV. You'll notice that the OBS Virtual Camera is now loaded on the Ome TV site, ready for use. Just click on Start. That's how you can use OBS Virtual Camera for Ome TV. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.